tumama.
Kailan nag-start ang pagiging bloom ni Ray?
Taray ni Kuya Marang. Wow, ganda ng ulo.
Like, grade 10, like that. Kasi narinig ko yung Beanie and then I got curious. Parang, it's so,
wala pa si Jaren.
Oh my gosh, ang laughable ng personality nila. They're so fun, they're so pretty. So, I became a bloom. Talaga. Yes.
So, since nakasama mo na yung mga Beanie natin sa ABS, sa mga balls that we actually had, ano yung favorite interaction mo sa kanila na pwede mong ma-share sa Blooms?
Pwede mo share? Pwede naman. Okay, so, my first talaga with them was...
Wala pa si Colette.
No,
mamaya pa.
The Christmas special, ABS, ako yung ano mo. Konsi sa Araneta.
Oh my gosh! Ay, sorry.
Sabi sa inyo, di ba? Sobrang hyper na to.
Oh my gosh! I posted it in my Instagram. Like, we were invited to watch Beanieverse in Araneta the first day. Tapos napansin ako ni Beanie Gwen and Beanie Colette and they held my hand, bro. Oh my god. No, I was so happy kasi parang fresh pa yun outside PBB. So, it was so parang I cannot believe na I was seeing them. Like, nandito lang sila, nasa truck. Tapos they held my hand. Oh my gosh! Di ako nag-wash ng hand. Wow!
Pero sa second day, kasi nandun din kami,
yeah,
nakita siya ulit ni Beanie Gwen. Anong sinabi or ginawa ni Beanie Gwen sa'yo?
Oh my gosh, she said, go!
Kasi nakita siya ulit ni Beanie Gwen.
So,
syempre, let's give a round of applause to a certified Bloom. And we're so excited for your performance.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
And once again, let's give it up for...
Rain some more!
The branches in the storm, feel the weather when we're there. But things just get so crazy, living like it's up to do. Sunday morning rain is pouring, I don't know what to do. Think someday it will lead me back to you. Then someday it will lead me back to you. Oh yeah. Okay.
kami nandito daw si Bini Colette.
Hello? Kuya,
Kulit mali.
what's up pa si Ray?
Ang galing!
Sorry, Blooms! Mali na, sorry ko.
That's all right, because we are a blue. Being a blue makes me happy. I remember the keeper. I remember the rain. I remember that song on your own broken. Never worry about the words, maybe I am just delusional. But for me, heroes can be gone. Oh, why? Why would I keep the things that you just threw away? Is there some sanity at all? Or do I need to work it? Can someone help me? Is it all worth keeping for long? For long? I hate it when I get sentimental. Give me a wild mental. I hate it holding on too deep to every little thing. I'm real sentimental. I'm real sentimental. But I hate it, I do it again. It's a feeling I ain't trying to defend. I hate it how I can't decide if it means the most to me. I'm real sentimental. I'm real sentimental. Sentimental ba kayo? Sentimental! If I'm not crazy, tell me what do I do? Would you stand to live forever in my shoes? Can I live through everything? Things you barely see. It's fragile, but they never meant to stay. Why would I keep the things that you just throw away? Is there some sanity at all? Can someone help me? Is it all worth keeping for long? For long? I hate it holding on too deep to every little thing. I'm real sentimental. I'm real sentimental. But I hate it, I do it again. It's a feeling I ain't trying to defend. I hate it how I can't decide if it means the most to me. I'm real sentimental. I'm real sentimental. I hate that I'm so sentimental.
Kulit lahat. Dapat yung kay Bun.
Yeah, let's give it up for Rain Salmon!
Andun sa kabila.
Let's keep supporting Beanie because they deserve the support that we're given. We're giving them kasi grabe naman. Tingnan mo. LDR naman tayo with them right now, di ba? But let's go for year!
Many more years to come.
Yes, many more years to come to our lovely Beanie girls. Don't wash my hand.
Pero,
Yes! Grabe po.
okay, so panoorin muna natin yung Beanie version.
Diyos ko, ano?
So guys, please
Dito
watch
muna
this.
tayo. 1, 2, 3, go!
Parang kaya ni Rain yung mismo mag-leader.
Oo,
Kaya
talaga
dalawa
siya.
muna Colette. And then,
Kaya!
si Rain at si Colette yung mag-lead, and then followed by our audience dito sa stage, and then follow ng audience
Lagyan lang
natin.
natin ng
Kami pa,
space
pinalitar mo,
para
hindi kami magkaintindihan dalawa.
Isa.
Sinasabi ko lang, Blooms ako dati, baka di na ako i-recognize ng Beanie pag
Oh, girls ha, ang tinignan nyo yung steps nila ha. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Kayo din!
Yung audience natin!
Energy!
Thank you so much to our Blooms na nandito sa station.
Ready na?
Okay, so kung ready na, Blooms, cheer naman natin yung Team Rain. So girls, pwesto.
Okay. Follow the leader, ah. Hey, Congratulations, pero kailangan yung umulit. Bakit? Kasi, so sasayaw si Rain. So susundin Vera. Bes, sorry. So susundin ni Bes. And then si Jamela, susundin niya si Bes.
Bakit hindi mo sinabi before this?
Kaya ko lang. Siyempre, warm up lang yun. Kaya naman kayo sa blue. So susundin mo si Ate Bes. And then ikaw, susundin.
May prize po ba pag ano nanalo?
Bragging rights.
Meron.
So, kamusta naman ang Team Rain? Okay.
Pero alam mo, Jazz, hindi
So for this challenge is... Ay! Teka lang! Oh, teka lang! Okay, sino mag-cheer na manalo ang Team Rain?
Oh, ang lakas ng Team Rain, ha? How about Team Colette?
Sumigaw kayo dun sa taas! Counted kayo!
Okay, last ulit. Sa
Counted na counted pati nasa labas.
Team Rain! Standing ovation. Team Colette!
May ano ba ako? Second and third floor. Hindi!
Tanggapin mo.
Okay.
Si Rain talaga.
Sige, since napasaya naman ang mga blues, lahat na kayo ang winner. At